So the project is actually the development. You're standing in the 8th house that's completed. What it is, it's a CTE program, Career Technical Education with Fairfax County Public Schools, and our goal is to expose our students to all aspects of residential construction. During the summer, they come in frame. So they work on the groundwork, putting the plumbing in the ground under the foundation, and then they work on setting the steel, doing the framing on the house, installing windows, stairs, trim, doors, hardwood floor, cabinets, electrical. When it comes to plumbing and HVAC, they work alongside professionals, so it's like an apprenticeship program, even though there's no apprenticeship programs in Virginia. But they work as if they were apprentices. And then they get to see what the difference is between a regular residential construction and universal design.
This house incorporates features we call universal design. They're difficult to notice until you need them. For example, if you used a wheelchair, you'd come up to the front door and find there are no steps. In the kitchen, there's space to move around, and the stove itself has controls that are mounted close to the front edge of the counter, so that if a person were using the stove from a seated position, say in a wheelchair, they'd find it easy to reach the controls without having to reach over hot food.
I learned a lot of things about universal design. I learned that basically the doorways are bigger, so it'll be easier to get in if they have like wheelchairs. The light switches are lower because it's easier for them to reach and have access to.
So today we're having an open house. First is a community open house. We invite the community in because there's always interest. They want to know we're part of the school system. They want to know what's going on. So this is the day we give an opportunity to any of the community members that want to come and look. And then after, a little bit later, we're going to have a scholarship presentation. So 2 of my students and 4 or 5 other students are going to be getting scholarships for post-secondary education. Some of them also get tool scholarships. So they're going to go work in the industry, and they'll get a head start with being able to go and fill their toolboxes so they can go to work.